Today our book is Oxford Science of class 6. Now let's start over today's topic. This is our first chapter, and our first chapter is about cells, tissues and organs. The cells, tissues and organs, as you know that these things are present in our body. Cells. All organisms, plants and animals are made up of tiny units called cells. This is the definition of cells. Okay. Although there are many different types of cells, all of which have different jobs, most cells have certain features in common. There are different cells in our body. All the cells have different work. Say the same cells, the cell which belongs to same group, they can do the same work, but there are many different cells. As there are cells in our skin which tells us that how to touch the things, this is hot or not. We can call them senses. There are some cells which repair our body. If we can cut with the knife our finger with knife, these cells help us to repair our skin. Now the cell membrane control what goes into and out of the cell. Cell membrane, we can say that it is a gate. We can say that cell membrane is a gate because it controls that what goes goes into and out of the cell. That it tells us that how many things and which things have permission to go into the cell and which things don't have permission to go into the cell. Okay. Now next is cytoplasm. Is a jelly-like substance which makes up most of the cell in both plants and animals. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. It is just like jelly, which make up most of the cell in both plants and animals. It is present, okay, in both plants and animals. The cytoplasm contains a number of small structures called organelles. These do several things. Cytoplasm consists of small tiny particles which are called organelles. These do several things. The mitochondria produce energy for the cell. Other called ribosomes make protein. They receive chemical messages from the nucleus which tell them exactly which protein to make. It tells them that which protein you have to gain, which things you have to need to increase yourself, to increase your cells, to make them strong. The nucleus contains the substance called DNA. Okay, DNA. Nucleus can contain the substances called DNA. DNA, we can say that it is a genetic control, because the genes, the eye color, your skin color, your hair color, your eyes, your features comes from DNA, as parents' DNA combines to give a daughter's DNA. Okay. If as we know that some childs are usually listening that your eyes is just like your mother or your father. This is just because of DNA. Okay, this is over today's lecture. So in our next lecture we can study structure of plant cells. Take care of yourself. Must read these questions. If you have any query, must tell me. I will answer you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.